Hello guys, my name is AJ Master and today we're going to unbox and review Lenovo Legion Y720. Let's open it. So this is it in the inside. We're going to open it right now. Okay, this is the laptop. Oh, it's really nice. It's like 3.2 kilograms. It's not too heavy, but it's like heavy. What's inside? Okay. The other things inside is like what do we have in here? Okay, we have some Lenovo charging ports, and I think this is yeah, this is for the PC. Okay, next we'll get the cable, the charging. What do we have in here? That's some flash. I don't really know what is it. Let's see it. Check it. Oh, I think this is a disc port, so you can put some disc inside. Pretty cool, yeah. Some other cables and stuff. Yeah, it's really cool. So now let's check the PC. It's time for opening it. Oh my god, it's pretty cool. It's so like awesome. You can see it around like this and this. The sound is awesome. There's some USB ports on the one of the side and some on the other of the sides. Let's open it. Wow. It's heavy but not too much. So this is what's inside. The screen is pretty big. There we have the starting button. The keyboard is really cool, it's plastic but it's awesome. Oh, the touchpad is so sensitive. So this is it. The screen, and let's see some of the parts. This PC has Intel Core i7 7700HQ processor, Windows 10 Home 64, 15.6 FHD IPS anti-glare LED backlight, 1920 to 1080 display type. The memory is like it's 60 gigabyte RAM. It's 60 gigabytes RAM, and also you have 1 terabyte HDD. It's pretty cool. The graphics are Nvidia GeForce GTX 160. That's awesome. The battery is 4-cell Li polymer. This is a really huge battery. It can take about 5 hours with no problem. And Bluetooth version is 4.1. That's pretty cool. So this is in the operation system is Windows 10 Home 64. Now let's check the PC. Here we go. This is a PC. You can see the keyboard, screen. The sound is amazing. This is one of the best sounds of the laptop ever. It's like so good. Let's start it. Okay, no battery power. And it's like awesome. The USB ports are right here from the two sides, and the back is like amazing. This is from the always. Let's turn it around. So this is it. If you like the video, please like, subscribe and comment. You can also see my Facebook page. So we'll see you next time. Bye bye.
Let it go, make my body go, make our bodies high.